I'm currently in Osaka, Japan. This is our room for the week. So you come in and we have slippers that are waiting. So we took our shoes off. We had our luggage delivered. So this is the living room space, which is nice. Nice touch. Little desk space. We have a refrigerator down here. Complimentary water. We have tea and coffee. A closet here. And they gave us some pajamas. So it's 2 beds. And this is our bath. I like the touch with the double sinks. And then over to the right, a nice tub and shower. So this is a tub and shower combo where the door will close. And then lastly, over here to the left is the toilet. So normally it's set to where the lid will automatically come up. So I'll reset that one. So it'll do that here as well. But this is our hotel room in Osaka. Oh, and he closed the door. So the door can close. Very nice.
You don't like people looking at you at nighttime?
Very nice touch. Very spacious. And I wonder if we have a balcony. Let's see real quick. Is it walkout?
I don't think you have a balcony.
Oh, okay. So, yeah, it doesn't. It's not a walkout balcony. But this is our hotel room. Okay, this is the complimentary breakfast that our hotel delivers every morning. So this is cold. Interesting. Let's see what's in here. Oh, so this looks like eggs. Let's see. With some maybe Tabasco sauce. Got toast. And some jam. Got crackers. This little utensils and a nice cold butter. Another set of utensils and a wet nap. And this is, oh, looks like a chicken salad. So my husband said, let's go find a real breakfast place. But you see my hotel pajamas? But this is actually sweet. It's definitely cucumber in it. It's definitely mint. They used a sweet fruit to sweeten this. I don't know which one, but it's good. Okay, what did you order one time?
I ordered toast with avocado and egg and salmon.
Okay. Let's dig in, see what it is.
Dude, avocado's right there.
You like it? You do?
You're fantastic.
So I have a smashed avocado sandwich with egg and what else was on my sandwich? I just know it's avocado and egg and they made it into a toast. So let's take a bite. Salmon is in here also. Really good. It's salmon, avocado, and toast. I think the let me take another bite. There's a little salt on it, but the most overpowering thing in here is the egg. And it's really good. Nice and hot. So we up here at the fruit market, and
what's the name of the fruit market?
I don't even know.
How do you pronounce that in Japanese?
I don't know. But we have some red strawberries, which we're gonna try. I think we're gonna try this pack because it looks a little bit more brighter. So we're gonna get this one.
Okay.
And then we're gonna try something neat, which is white strawberries. Now, I have not had this.
Is that chocolate covered strawberries?
No, she said they were just white, which is neat. This one looks, so we got red and we got white. So we're gonna go home and try these tonight.
All right.
Okay. So initially we picked out some white strawberries. We have some red strawberries, and now we're gonna try some Japanese grapes because we were told that they are extremely sweet. So I don't know which one, but we're gonna pick maybe this one. So we're gonna have some grapes as well. So we got a lot of fruit to show you all this afternoon. So we just got some fruit from this fruit shop. We got red strawberries, white strawberries, and the Japanese grapes. And it was $83, 83 US dollars. And so we're gonna talk about this later on today when we this area is kind of cleared out some compared to the other area. It's very congested. So hey friends, I'm currently in Osaka, Japan, and what I did today was sourced some fruit. So for whatever reason, fruit is extremely expensive in Japan. And so what I have today, I want to show you. I have some grapes, okay? And I have red strawberries, and I've already washed and cleaned everything. So I have red strawberries, and I also have white strawberries. But here's the cool thing about it. These three items cost me 84 US dollars. You heard that right, 84 US dollars. So I paid 3,990 yen for each packet of strawberries. And then basically this right here was 5,000 yen. So it was a total, I'm just gonna look at my receipt, of 12,997 yen, which is a total of 84 US dollars at the current conversion rate. Now, I was trying to figure out why the strawberries were so expensive. So I did a little research here on Google, and it tells me that the Japanese fruit is so expensive due to the meticulous cultivation practices and prioritization quality over quantity. So that means that they have a high quality standard, which means farmers strive to aesthetically perfect the fruits with the precise size, shape, and color, and then they remove any imperfections from it. They also do handcrafted cultivation, which means many aspects of the fruit growing are done by hand, including the pollination, the pruning, and even gently rubbing the fruit to enhance the sweetness. Okay, there's limited land availability, so there's not a lot of land where they can grow the fruit. It's seasonal availability, as well as the cultural value. In Japanese culture, gifting high quality fruit is considered a sign of respect, further driving the demand for the premium. So the question that we have today is the fruit really sweet? So I have my husband here with me as well. He didn't want to be on camera today, but we're both going to try it. So I'm going to give him one of the white strawberries. That's the ones we're going to try first. Okay, hon? So I'm going to give you one. And here's mine. So let's try the white. And it's white in the inside as well. I've never seen that before.
The seeds are still red.
The seeds are red. What do you think? Is it sweet to you?
First bite was sweet.
The first bite was very sweet, but the closer I got to the middle, it's not as sweet as the first bite.
But with strawberries, the tip is the sweetest. I kid you not, no pun or anything intended.
But
as you get closer to
yeah, but it was sweet at the initial first bite.
Yeah, because it's the top part of the strawberry is the sweetest part.
But as you got closer in, it's not as sweet.
Yeah.
But it's okay. I don't know if it's worth the... How much was that in US dollars? Let's see. Let's get out my conversion. So I paid $39.90.
So $3,900.
$39,990. Let me see.
Yeah.
For yen. So this is a $25 for a 6-pack of strawberries. Is what I paid. Do I think it was worth the $25? Was it as sweet? No, I've had sweeter. But it's okay. Let me give you a red one. So here's your red one. And I'm going to take one of the bigger red ones. So this is the red packet here. This one is also a $25 pack of strawberries. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 12 for $25 with the red. And it was 6 for $25 with the white. So let's try the red. This is really sweet.
Oh my gosh, this is sweet.
It's super sweet. And this is sweet all the way through.
All the way through.
Unlike the white, the red is sweet all the way through. This is really good.
Lord, that's good.
Let me have your... I'll take your things from you. Yeah. I'm going to eat another. Do you want another red one?
I'm going to eat in a little bit.
Okay. I want one more. As the second one, they're really sweet.
I'm trying to sleep.
A lot sweeter than the white ones. So last we have the grapes. The grapes were 5,000 yen, which is $32. So this packet of grapes here costs 32 USD.
But they're nice and plump.
They're nice and plump, so I'm going to give you, let me see, 2 here. Give you these 2.
They look crisp, they feel crisp.
They do. They're nice and firm. So they're not mushy or anything. So I got 2 here as well.
Consistent. They all look the same.
They are very consistent. The shape is consistent, which is kind of what I read earlier. You see I'm pressing down on them. They're nice and firm. They're not mushy. They're not soft. The size, the shape, everything is consistent throughout. And I'll see if I can lift the packet
loose.
out.
Like, you know, you buy something that's like loose. Yeah, you get some loose scrapes at the bottom of the bag.
Yeah, where they fall out when you get them in the U.S.
Yeah,
okay, so I just took it out.
branch.
So I'll lift it up out of the pack so you can see how consistent they are.
Yep.
So this was $32.
All right, let's try.
So let's give it a shot. And I'm going to finish all this fruit regardless because this is $80 worth of fruit, so I'm going to eat it. It's not as sweet.
I mean, it's sweet, but yeah.
It's sweet, but I've had sweeter. And, you know, I've had the cotton candy grapes. So they're not as sweet as the cotton candy grapes that you can get in the U.S. Or the...
And they're seedless.
They are seedless. Just realized that.
Yeah. Cool.
These are just okay.
I'm gonna go. Let me dig in.
So, would I spend $80 again on the fruit?
No.
Probably no. The only one that I would buy for sure is the red. They are absolutely delicious. But I don't think it's worth it to buy the grapes or the white ones. But The grapes are juicy, but they're just not as sweet. But there you have it. What kind of sauce is this?
Cookie sauce.
Naturally comes with it. Or yeah, I mean, if they're basing it on, like they have the nationality, but it's probably.
It's hot.
It's hot? Spicy. Spicy hot? Yeah, thank you.
Could be.
Spicy hot? Or hot, temperature hot?
It's a little spicy.
A little spicy?
Mm-hmm. Ooh.
That's spicy, huh? Let's try the wagyu.
Just looking for dessert. Hey, yeah, find a good dessert.
What was it?
Very good.
You can see all the chili on this.
Yep.
What's this, saffron?
I don't know. So you can video this restaurant?
Yeah.
And put it on? Okay, yeah. It's very delicious. Very good. Very good. Oh, thank you.
So what I'm trying to do now is actually find the spot where everyone goes, where they had like this side angle shot of the castle with no one in it. And I'll turn the camera around in a second so you can see, but there's lots of people out here, so I'm just not sure where that spot is. But I'm gonna walk around until I find it. But let me show you the amount of people that are currently out here on the grounds. So as you can see, just panning around, the amount of people. There's people in the actual castle looking around. There's people on the grounds everywhere taking pictures. I'm just not sure where they took that picture at. But we're gonna go find it. got us in this highfalutin place, as the people would say. And first dish is salad. It's a nice cold salad.
What's up?
I need some holders for my chopsticks because I can't eat with chopsticks. It's garlic.
Like it?
It's decent.
Oh, sure.
So this is gonna be our steak.
Wow.
Okay. Thank you.
Should I take your photo?
Yes.
Sure, thank you. Please, your phone.
Thank you.
Thank you. We're getting a photo.
3, 2, 1, thank you.
Cheese. Thank you.
Check, please.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you. I actually like the salad. It's pretty good.
Let's start. Beef sauce is wasabi and miso with Kobe beef. Kobe beef with miso.
Okay.
And garlic with soy sauce.
Okay.
And citrus sauce, steak sauce, soy sauce, and sauce. And this is soup with Kobe beef.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
So that was a wonderful experience. And
I've never.
I just kind of want to round it up with just showing you all the rice is fantastic. It was so good.
Garlic rice.
I have some bean sprouts. I wanted to eat my last piece of steak with you all. We have eggplant. And for a special treat, they just brought over some, well, I can't lean it, but some miso soup with Kobe beef in it. It's absolutely wonderful. Huh? He said happy pre-birthday. As always, thank you for joining, and I'll catch you all next time. Toodles!